Good morning dear students. In previous video we have started our new chapter, that is the decimal fraction, and in this chapter we have completed our exercise number 15. Today we are going to learn about practice set 15. In this practice set 15, question number 1 is write the proper number in the empty boxes. Means here you have गिवन एक्टिविटी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. आपको क्या दिया हुआ है? एक एक्टिविटी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन दिया गया है. हाउ यू विल सॉल्व? लुक हियर 3/5 is equal to 3 into box upon 5 into box and the answer which means denominator is 10. So हम 5 को किससे इंटू करेंगे कि आंसर 10 आएगा? So we will multiply by 5 into 2. If we will multiply by 5 into 2 by denominator, we have to write 2 here also. So 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. So here what will be the answer? 0.6. Okay. Now question number 2. 25/8 is equal to 25 into box 8 into 125. Again the answer has given here, which means 125 8s are 1000. So here 8 is multiplied by 125. So here which number will come? Here 125 will come, because numerator and denominator will be multiplied by the same number. Here we don't know the table of 12. If you don't know the table of 25 and 125, you can multiply by here. For example, 125 25. Here 5 5s are 25. Here 5 will come and 2 we will carry. 5 2s are 10. 10 2 plus 12. Again 1 will come. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5 and 1 6. Here we will put cross sign, then we will again multiply by 2. 2 5s are 10. Again here 1 will come. 2 2s are 4. 4 and 5. 1 plus 5 and 2 1s are 2. All the numbers has finished. We will do addition. 5 2 6 5 11 and here 1 will come. 2 and 1 3. Here how many 0 has given? 1 2 3. So we will put your point after 3 numbers, your right hand side, which means here. So here what answer will come? 3 1 2 5 and here again the answer has given in decimal form. I hope you have understood these two questions. Remaining 2 questions I will give you as a homework. Now come to question number 2. Convert the common fractions into decimal fractions, which means here we have to given a common fraction, we have to convert in decimal fraction. Means हमको ये कॉमन फ्रैक्शन दिया गया है, हमको इसको पॉइंट में कन्वर्ट करना है. और जब भी हम इसको पॉइंट में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, वी ऑलवेज यूज डिनोमिनेटर एज अ 10 100 1000 10,000 एंड मेनी अदर. सो हियर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 3/4. सो हियर इफ वी विल राइट 3/4, we will multiply by 100. 4 is multiplied by 25, because 25 4s are 100. So if we will multiply by denominator 25, here we will write 25. What will be the answer? 25 4s are 100 and 25 3s are, if you don't know the table of 25, you can multiply by here. 3 5s are 15 and carry 1. 3 2s are 6 and 7. Here what will be the answer? 75. But we have to convert it into decimal fraction, means point. So here how many 0 has given? 2. So here we will write 75 and 2 0 has given 1 2. Then we will put here 0 and here 0 will come. This will be the answer. Now come to question number 2. 4/5. 5 को किससे इंटू करेंगे कि 100 हो जाएगा? कैन एनीवन टेल मी? 5 को किससे हम 100 करेंगे? 5 2s are 10 होता है. So here again we will write 2. 4 2s are 8 and 5 2s are 10. Here again only one point has given here. So हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पर 0.8 will be the answer. Okay. Now question number 4, 5 I will give you as a homework. Okay. Now come to question number 3. Convert the decimal fractions into proper improper fractions. Means here decimal fraction has given, we have to convert into proper and improper. For example, जैसे 27/5. Here only 5 has given, which means 10 will come. So we will write 275/10. Okay. Number 2, 0.007. So what will be the answer of 0.007? 7/1, 2, 3. How many 0 will come? 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now the third question is 90.8. Again 8 only is which place? 10th place. So here 908/10 will come. 39.15. 391512. How many 0 will come? 2 0 will come, which means 100 will come. Question number 5 is 312. We will write 312 and then upon 1 and 2. Here again 100 will come. Okay. Now question number 6, 70.400. Here 0 after the 0.0 has no value. So here only which place has given? 10th value has given. So here what we will write? 704 which place has given? 10th place. So here 10 will come, not 1000 will come. Okay. See the difference between question number 2 and 6. Okay. So here we have completed our exercise number 15. Remaining question I will give you as a homework, as a assignment. I hope you have understood the exercise number 15. Thank you so much.